Hello guys, hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, welcome back to Crystal DIY. If today is your first time of coming to my channel, please subscribe. It's a way of encouraging me to do more videos for you guys. If you are a returning subscriber, you are welcome. I appreciate you and I don't take your support for granted. So this channel is all about soap making, liquid soap making, skincare production, hair care production, anything business, anything you can do that will put money inside your bag. That is what this channel is. So you have, if you're subscribing to this channel, you have nothing to lose. If you're a subscriber, you are in the right place, because this channel will teach you things you will do to make money. To make massive money for yourself. You can make all these products that we have in our channel and make them and sell. So in today's episode, I'll be teaching you how you can make your liquid soap to be thick, how you can thicken your liquid soap. A lot of people have been in my DM asking me, I made soap some time ago, I made soap and it is watery, I don't like, it's not as thick as your own, I want it to be thick, this, that, this. I am making this particular video from one Mrs. Onyeka. I think, yes, she chatted me that she made soap and it's not as thick as my own and all that. So I just want to make this video for her. Can you see how watery this liquid soap is? Can you see how watery it is? So we are going to make it to be as thick and increase the viscosity for it to be thickened. Yes, if you want to learn how to make liquid soap, if you want to learn how to make, especially if you want to learn how to make laundry bar soap as a professional, you want to enter into laundry bar soap as a professional, you want to start it as a business, we are running an online class on how to make laundry bar soap. If you want to make profit in your laundry bar soap, if you want your soap to come out standard, if you want a top-notch laundry bar soap, register for our online class for you to get value of your money. Yes, so what we are using to thicken the soap is a salt, is a sodium chloride. Salt plays a critical role in liquid soap production by affecting its viscosity. What do I mean by viscosity? Thickness. It acts as a thickening agent. So when added to liquid soap, salt interacts with surfactants, which is your SLS, your Texapon in the formulation. This interaction causes the soap molecules to come closer together, increasing the viscosity and making the liquid soap thicker. So when salt meets with your surfactants, which is SLS, Texapon, it helps it to thicken. So what we added here is salt. We added salt in this production. Are you seeing it? It works like magic. So the kind of salt you add depends on how thick you want it to be. You make sure you don't add it much. The amount of salt added must be carefully measured. Too much salt can destabilize the mixture. It can turn it to watery. So you make sure you don't add much. Do you get? You make sure you don't add much. I think I have a video here where I show you guys how you can make liquid soap. I will drop the link there in the description below so that you can watch it. If the measurement that I gave you didn't give you the thickness that you want in that production, you can increase it. Do you get? So you can increase it by little amounts to give you the viscosity you want. You will not say, because I want to thicken my liquid soap you carry all the salt and put it will turn into watery. Oh. Yes, so you have to add it little to thicken it a bit. Do you get? I will drop the link of that video in the description below so that you watch it and learn how to make that soap. If the measurement I gave you there did not work, did not give you the viscosity you want, you increase it by 5 or 10%. Do you understand? It will give you the viscosity you want. Are you seeing it? So if you want to register for our online class on how to make laundry soap that stand out, if you want to start laundry soap business, we sell cutter, we sell ebook, we sell ebook for household products, we sell table cutter for cutting your soap. If you want to start a mini soap production company, we have soap cutter that will give you a standard soap that will match the ones in the market. Yes, and it is pocket friendly. Please like, subscribe, give an encouraging comment, and share this video to anybody that might need it. There are so many people that doesn't know how they can thicken their liquid soap. You can share this video to them. They will watch it and learn how to solve the problem. Yes, are you seeing it? Are you seeing how beautiful it is? Thank you.